Looking to accelerate your outbound sales? Watch this video as we show you how VCC Live will maximize agent talk time, help you reach more people, or even make calls without any agents at all. You'll learn about some of the top tools the best performing teams use to ensure outbound channels bring as much as possible. Predictive Dialer is an excellent productivity booster for your voice campaigns. It dials numbers automatically based on your list. When the conversation is in progress, the next number is dialed before that conversation ends to minimize wait time and maximize talk time. First, you'll need to import your contact list so that your dialer has some numbers to dial. This is super easy. You just need a simple Excel file. Click Upload All and voila! It's ready for use. Now, head over to the Outbound menu. Select the Dialer Mode dropdown and click Predictive. Scroll down to check out the dialer settings. Here, you're given comprehensive control over your dialer, and you can modify any call parameters. Alternatively, you can select a template from our predefined list that best suits your campaign needs, and the dialer settings will update accordingly. Your new project will appear over in the agent interface. As soon as they select the project and log in, the Predictive Dialer campaign will begin. And even while your agent is busy handling calls, you can change your dialer settings mid-campaign to continuously improve your campaign's results. The best dialers on the market can automatically detect voicemail. Here's how it works. When the voicemail detection happens, agents can simply skip that call and progress to the next one. While voicemails can be handled in a separate process, for example, receiving a pre-recorded message. To get started with voicemail detection, scroll down your project's outbound menu to AMD. First, we recommend selecting Test Mode from the State drop-down menu. This will train the feature to recognize a country or telecom provider's unique voicemail indicators. To activate your voicemail detection, select Enabled. You can choose whether you want to skip voicemail or play a pre-recorded message. You can also take things further by sending an automatic SMS when voicemails are identified. Start by giving your template a title, and select the phone number field from your contact data set. Head over to the Unreached list and check Answering Machine. Now we can write the SMS to be used. In the Message tab, you can create your follow-up SMS. You can also personalize your message by selecting data from your contact list. To enable automated SMS, head back to Settings and check the Active box. Then hit Save. VCC Live lets you run fully automated campaigns known as Outbound IVR. Automatic voice calling has plenty of use cases, such as renewals, reminders, debt collection, surveys, and a lot more. First, we'll need a name for our process. OIVR will work in this case. Next, by selecting the playback option, we can upload a pre-recorded voice file to be used in your campaign. Click Upload and select your audio file. You can obviously make your automatic campaigns interactive. To give your caller some keypad options, you need to select the IVR button option. For example, we can allow customers to get transferred to an agent by selecting Queue from the Actions dropdown. Let's also retitle the button to know what it does. Of course, there's a lot more interactivity you can add in this way. When happy with your IVR buttons, click Save and then Apply Inbound Changes. Then Review and Confirm. To activate your campaign, head over to the Outbound menu and select Outbound IVR from the Dialer Mode dropdown. Scroll down to your dialing settings and select the newly created process. You can now control how many simultaneous calls to make. how long the process should dial for, and at which times you want your Outbound IVR to be active. When happy with your settings, hit Save, and your automatic voice campaign is now running. You'll want to learn the impact of using these features, so let's head over to our fully customizable KPI dashboard. Here, you can monitor all of your outbound activities in real time by instantly generating new, best practice KPIs, and even creating completely unique metrics. You can swiftly change the display of your dashboard and populate it with the best KPIs for your campaign. These were our top examples of how you can dramatically improve what your outbound channels are capable of. To get your outbound campaigns to new levels, get started with VCC Live.